Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about parallel routing. Before that, let me explain the issue in an example. So here we have the codes. For parallel routing, I needed two pages. So I'm just going to create two new pages called a login folder and create a page.js. Create a React functional component, convert them into capital letter. Always the component should be in capital letter. And convert the content to login page. In the same way, we have to create another page called sign up. Sign up. Create a page.js file. React functional component. Again, it is going to be a capital component. Here, add the content as a sign up. Now open the terminal, start the Next.Js. Now you can access the URL. You will land in a home page, and we have landed in a login page. Access the login page. We could access the login page here directly through the URL. You can see the login page and check for the sign up page. Sign up, and you can see the sign up page also here. It has been rendered successfully, but we want this both UI in a single page, and also there will be a no change in the URL. So for that, we have the solution called parallel routing. Parallel routing allow you to simultaneously or conditionally render one or more pages in a same layout. For highly dynamic sections of an app, such as dashboard, feeds on social sites, parallel routing can be used to implement complex routing patterns. For example, here we have a two pages called team analytics, and both will be rendered in a single page itself. This team represent A and this analytic page represent this B, and we can render them in a single URL in a single page without any change in a URL. And this will be helpful in dashboards for the performance analytics and things related to the insights in a web page. Let's implement this parallel routing. Before that, we have to include this at syntax in a pages which we want parallel. These are the syntax. So here, close the terminal, convert this login into at login, sign up at sign up. So here I'm going page layouts, create a new div tag, div div, and move this children inside the div tag. And I'm going to provide style called padding padding 20 pixel, and copy this line and paste it twice. We are going to import two pages. So one is login, another one is sign up. So copy this login, paste it here, sign up, and paste it here. Let's go to the front end. Now you can see the sign up page could not be accessed. Check for the login page, and login page also couldn't be accessed. if we go to home page, here we can't see the layouts of login and sign up. This is because we have to kill the terminal and again run. Then only this login and sign up will reflect. So now go to the front end and refresh. You can see the login page and the sign up page in a home page itself by using the parallel routing. Next, I'm going to explain about the error and loading states in parallel routing. Parallel routing allow you to define independent error loading state for each route as they are being streamed independently. For example, you can define error and loading independently for each page. Like team and analytics, you have individual error page and loading page separately. Let's go to the VS Code, close the terminal and go to the page. Here we have the function, convert them into asynchronous function. Next, I'm going to create a new promise and it is going to be await. Here I'm going to provide arrow function pass resolve and here set timeout resolve and provide the time as a 4000 millisecond. So it will take the delay of 4 seconds and copy the same and provide for the login page also. Paste it here and convert to 8000 and the function will be converted to async. Here we need loading page, so I'm going to create loading.js. Create a functional component going to be loading and this loading is belong to login. Remove this react. Here also we need to create a loading page loading.js react functional component loading. Remove the react components, add sign up for loading. So here I'm going to provide 3 dots. Open the terminal, kill this terminal, run again, and check once the npm is triggered on. Here the server has been triggered, so we can refresh the home page. You can see the loading here, login loading, still it is waiting. Now the login page has been rendered. So in this way we can render loading page individually also. Let's go to the VS Code. For loading, I'm going to create a error page, error.js, and close the terminal. And the error page always should be in a client. So create a React functional component, error, and here I'm going to provide login error. Convert this function into async and copy the promise from here. Here we have a resolve in a page, so I'm going to provide extra error, and instead of resolve I'm going to provide error. So here we don't need this asynchronous. This page will return error. Let's first kill the terminal and run again. Once the server has been restarted, we can go to the front page, refresh. You can see here the loading is happening in both components. After the error has been thrown, error page has been rendered for login. This is how the page will render and we can handle. Next, I'm going to explain about parallel routing with conditions. Parallel routing also allow you to conditionally render a slot based on certain conditions such as authentication state. This enable you fully separate code on the same URL. In parallel routing, we will render the page on the basis of condition. This is the simple example of parallel routing. So we have two components. We are rendering these components with the condition. So here, first close the terminal. I'm going to remove this error and replace with resolve and go to the layout page. In layout page, I'm going to provide one condition here, true, and here we have the div tag. So I have given here, copy and paste it again, copy the div tag, replace it here, and here I'm going to create a variable called boolean and provide the value as a true. So I'm going to copy this boolean variable and provide here and in here. For both of them there will be true. I want only one component to be rendered. At this case I'm going to convert the opposite value of the boolean. Again, kill the terminal, restart the terminal, go to the front end, refresh. Now you can see the loading and loading page will render after this loading has been done. Here the loading page has been done. The sign up page is not coming here. In case if we are going code and if we are going to change false means the first login will not render and the sign up will render. This is how the conditional parallel routing will done. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates regularly on time.